The Hereafter 29. I had a thought which I wanted to share. There are many factors which prevent a Muslim from practically preparing for the Day of Judgment, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, but only one of the more subtle factors will be discussed. In the vast majority of cases in this world, a person who fails a particular task or activity is given a second chance. In some cases, the second chance is direct, such as retaking a failed driving test, and in other cases the second chance is indirect, such as a divorcee getting married to someone else. The concept of second chances also applies in religious matters. For example, everyone experiences the sister of death, sleep, and most of these people are given another chance to sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, when life is restored to them when they wake up. Chapter 39 Az-Zumar, verse 42.
Allah takes the souls at the time of their death, and those that do not die He takes during their sleep. Then He keeps those for which He has decreed death, and releases the others for a specified term. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who give thought.
This concept of second chances often becomes so engraved in the mind of a Muslim, that subconsciously they begin to behave as if they will be given a second chance on Judgment Day, if they fail to adequately prepare for it. This is a subtle delusion and trick of the devil, which a Muslim must be careful to avoid. It is so subtle that one can behave practically in this manner without realizing it, simply because they are under the assumption that just like they always had second chances in this world, they will somehow be given it on the Day of Judgment also. The best way to combat this subtle delusion is to strengthen one's faith. This is only achieved through learning and acting on the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, so that one remains steadfast on practically preparing for the Day of Judgment at all times, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 31 Luqman, verse 33.
Indeed, the promise of Allah is truth, so let not the worldly life delude you, and be not deceived about Allah by the deceiver, i.e., Satan.